Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Abantu boyika ukuya ezihlanganisweni zombutho ngoba umbutho ezihlanganisweni zawo kuyabulalana.
Njengoba uMuzumbaksi la ethi abantu sebeyasaba manje ukuya kuma meetings we-ANC ngoba abantu bayalwa bayabulalana. Kule video ke manje sizokhuluma ke ngamamember ANC alwa wodwa, sikhulume ngama-by election konento ezenzaka lapho. Ngifisa ukuthi sizikhafe sanibonana, ngisabingelelanga. Ngiyacela usubscribe ku-channel, ulike i-video, ucomment, ushare. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Sizocapha nama-video ambalwa mayelana nalolu daba ukukhuluma ngalento eshuwo uMbaksi ngaliqaleni. Njengoba ethi abantu sebeze bayasaba, ngibona ama-members we-ANC ehubhana wodwa kukubi beshayana. So ngathi into abajwayele ukuyenza. Sizofaka ke indaba khona masiphuma lapho singene kuma-by election. Mawubheka la bayashana labantu bayagijimisana kodwa basuke ethendeni elilodwa le-ANC bashana ngazo lezi tulo. Umuntu nje osifeyilile la ucameraman ayifuneka bamxoshe lo cameraman usifeyilile ngoba bekufuneka ashuthe kahle indaba. Manje ngiyacabanga ukuthi ubeyishutha ngokwentshontsho. Ngicela ubuke natsene. Yimbi ngempela lento enzeka phakathi kwama-members we-ANC. Uyabona uMuzumbaksi ekuqaleni uthi manje abanye bagcine sebebulelene ngoba le ingxabano iqala kanje. Abayilamula abantu bayitshethi iphelile kanti omunye usehlela ukwenza okubi komunye. Yimbi ngempela lento, fanele bakhule bayilungise, bazi futhi abantu ukuthi imbono makuhlangene abantu izophambana. Kodwa lokho akufanelanga kusenza izitha noma sixabane. Ukuphambana kwemibono kusho ukuthi imibono yethu ayifani. Kufuneka benzise ubona njengama leaders we-ANC ukuthi mangabe ukuze igwemeke lento ngoba kufanele bona bahlangane balwe nesitha bangalwi bodwa. Ilokho nje engikushoyo. Njengoba sazi ke ukuthi kunama-by elections akhona, amanye bowakhona eJohannesburg naseyindaweni ezehlukene. Kunama-video engiwabona ekuseni la bekhala khona ngama-members we-ANC kunobuqili engathi bayabenza. Sizongena ke kuleyo video manje nje kodwa ngifisa siqale kule video le ngicela uzwe la.
The response and perhaps Minister, part of the reason why I put the date of July is because around that time you would have presented a budget vote speech. And the problem I had with that speech is that you made reference to the presidential employment stimulus. And there seems to be a misunderstanding of what the presidential employment stimulus sought to achieve when the president was implementing it. Because it keeps coming up across all departments, across all ministries. It's a short-term solution. It's not going to resolve the structural problems of young people in South Africa as they relate to unemployment. So would you agree with me, Minister, and I'm happy you didn't make mention of it now, that we must stop talking about the presidential employment stimulus as a structural solution for the unemployment challenges of young people in South Africa? If you are not going to close the skills gap, you are not going to make access to a quality education, and you're not going to grow the economy, then we can't keep talking about these assistant teacher jobs and these assistant teacher health jobs, which many of them have lost, by the way. A lot of the people who are employed by the so-called presidential stimulus, employment stimulus, are no longer employed. So will you agree with me, Minister, that we must put this behind us and find much more sustainable solutions in resolving the issues of young people in South Africa, in particular as it relates to unemployment? Thank you.
Ngifaka le video kaSihle Lonzi ngoba ukhuluma le ndaba yale misebenzi le ekhandwayo yabo teachers assistants akhulume ngayo uPremier uPanyaza Lesufi ukuthi bazobuyisa lemsebenzi. Kodwa into akhala ngayo Sihle ukuthi lemsebenzi le itemporary. Noma yona kukhona umehluko wenzayo kodwa uwenza for isikhashana. So kufanele uminister iliphi isu minister acabanga ukuthi uzoza nalo manje ngoba into efuneka enze ufuna improve i-education, ku-improve ama skills. Bakwazi abantu ukuthi through education bathola ama skills bakwazi ukuziphilisa ngoba kuyihlazo kuzwa mawuzwa kuthiwa 28 million yabantu baphila bakuma grants especially SRD. Mawucabanga 28 million yabantu ngo370 yini ongayenza ngo370. Ngeke ngizwe mina kuthiwa ugovernment uthi uspenda 400 and something esiboshwe si1 ejele kodwa abantu abangaboshwe uthi uzobanika 370 funa basustain for the whole month. So uSihle la uraise the point ukuthi uminister akeze nesu lokuthi kungenzeka kanjani ukuze kwakhiwe lento ibe long term ngoba yes yona iyawenza umehluko ngeke siphike kodwa short term njobe esho nje uthi nalabo bantu ababeqasheke lapho sewuyaphela seyiphelile lo msebenzi njengoba manje sinethemba njobe ekhulumile uPanyaza Lesufi ukuthi bazoyivuselela. Ithi ngicaphunela uPanyaza Lesufi bese singena indaba ama by elections.
When you create opportunities for people, then you are accused. If you don't create them, you are accused as well. Because what happens is that it's a national program. That's not our provincial program. But we could not allow young people to be unemployed. We stepped in with an intention that National will then renew it. When National took time to renew it, unfortunately, we had to let it go. It's only now that National have come back, and that's why we are reinstating it. The election this year, no. So it can't be an accusation that we are doing this for sake of elections. We are doing this so that those young people that don't have opportunities can get opportunities. We are doing this so that majority of our young people can be active in the economy of our province. We are also doing this to create skills development for our young people who need to acquire these particular skills. So those that are accusing us of electioneering, it's just people that are lazy to think or people that have an attitude towards how government functions.
And into enkinga esinayo siyazi ukuthi makukhandwa lama programs igovernment yethu ayikakayitholi indlela zokwazi ukuthi ikhanda imali ibe nama cash generating assets lawo ma assets azokwazi ukuthi afande lama project la ukuze akwazi ukuthi asustaineke for isikhathi sibe side. So izinto lezo government ofuneka azibuka ukuthi uzozenza njani. Ngiyayicaphuna nje lento ngiyadlula kahle ukube kuyangami kodwa ngizozwa ngabantu uma nifuna ivideo sizokwenza ivideo nje specifically ngale topic sizimbuze ebuziwe nanokuthi uminister uphendule wathini. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke ngizozwa ngani uma nifuna ukwazi ukuthi igcine 10 uminister ngizozwa ngani uma ngase kube khona abantu abawu15 abazothi cha asiyenze ivideo le kuzoba lula ngizoyenza anginayo inkinga ngoba phela vele ichannel ngeyethu eyami nani. So uma kukhona ivideo efuna nginenzele yona ngizonenzela. Manje angifuni ukunicabangela nginilethele into kanti kaniyidingi. Uma nje ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kugcine iphelele phi indaba khona iqale phi yebo iphendula wathini uminister isolution kulezi zinto yini ngoba siyazi ukuthi bakhona ababenefitile and bekungafani ukuthola lo 3.5 leyo kunokuhlala manje ungatholi lutho bekuwenza umehluko. So siza ukuthi uminister utheni iplan ukusuka manje kuya phambili. Asingene ke endaweni yama by elections ngicela uzibone na ivideo.
Silala bafowethu Ward 59 kunabantu abathathwa kwamanye ama site bezovota la ekhaya. So lento lesiyayirecorda sifaka social media. Angeke allow abantu abasuka kwezinye indawo bezovota endaweni engayona yabo. We've got evidence everything, so now we're dealing with this. Kumele kuvalwe lana iyoqhubeka kusasa silinde icase phela angeke esiqhubeka lento le enibalekisayo kahle into ukuvala ngevalwe kuphi yavalwa baba la uyathanda ukuthanda amaphoyisa ahluleka mini yavalwa
Hayi akuyiwe once.
Siyayivala le nto.
Ba-corrupt kanti.
Siyayivala.
Ba-corrupt kanti.
Hayi lokho khohlwa. Hayi singamadoda-ke le. Vala nje kahle. Ngeke sihlale singayivali. Le nto siyayivala. Sikhathele.
Commanders, good morning. I-ANC ithenga abantu basusa e-Ward 124 eSquatter Cape. Kunama delegates wabo abayi3 lana bababhalisa bayabahambisa babaletha lana bayabavotisa. Sibambe omunye usisi wagcina sekalikhulumile iqiniso siphethe nelist yakhona. Basuka e124 babathembisa ukuthi bazosebenza eStratini. Manje kuyaliwa ke khona manje because they've asked to open a case to stop the votes. Please look. Manje iphendule nazo.
Alright, konto ke kopa o bo so ntulela mo o nshebele motho o mong lo mong a qetang ho vote sa vote lo mong o le fatshe.
For what?
I don't know.
For what?
I don't know. Yes. Ha re kopa ke mongolle motho a sa voteile ha tswa go vote ke mongodise fatshe go mang o fihlile.
Why? Babuya phi labo bantu?
Abazo vote.
Labeni babhalise listini.
Wena uhlale AA angithi?
Yes.
Usuhlala khona. Uhlala la
AA yini?
And AA le flat lela ehlala previous council uENA and some of them.
Labo bantu enisebenza nabo abahlale AA.
This thing might uqala from exen if uhleli lana lento le. Uqala from exen ubhala labantu list forward.
Ngoba akasu IEC.
This is the list. The list there. So now
Thabo kwa ha mafani a ke mtsebi ke Thabo mang mara ke Webster.
Ona number 5. Ubereka kae?
Ke co-op.
Ushute yonke kuma.
Yeah.
Amela if voters roll lethu compare. Yeah, ishute yonke.
Labo bantu labo kukhona
Hayi laba bangapha da soyibe ngithe mina ngiphiwe iphepha laba angibazi nalaba bangabazi.
i-ANC itshontsha abantu baletha abantu bazovota la kunabantu abahleli namalist. Why bakhokhelwe mafayitha nogada umzilo abantu
Njengoba ubona nje iyona ndaba le eyenzekayo laphaya kuma-by elections ukuthi kunabantu abathengwayo abanye basusa kuma-Squatter Camp ukuze bezovota begcwalisa inamba bathenjisiweke lokho abathenjiswe khona. Ngifisa ukucaphuna ivideo kaGodole kuyokugcina bese siyivala ivideo.
Ngani zakwethu sanibona ukankomgodola umfana udaba nelwazi bekungibambile okumkhuhlane kodwa cha sekungidedele ngani zakwethu sengikhona ngiyabona ukuthi kuyonakala. Lalelani sine-by election la eWard 59 phakathi e-inner city phakathi eGoli mawuthi nje ngenhla kancane kwe-MTN. Yebo masele ANC ake nisondele la eduzane nonke masele ANC. Ngizwile kuthiwa kunabantu enibalanda lapha eAlexandra. I know that people enelelo tekisi lizobe libanjwa yimi uGodole. Kunabantu enibalanda lapha eBramfish. I know that people lelo tekisi lizobe libathwele lizobe libanjwa yimi uGodole. Nalabo bantu I know labo bantu lapho. Niyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Lalelani kusasa kuyavotwa. Ngixolise nje ukuyenza namhlanje le video bengigula. Kusasa lokho kusaba umhla ka19 kuyavotwa lapha eInner City. Uma uzazi ukuthi amasele ANC yakubhalisile athi hamba ovota lapha eInner City phakathi eJohannesburg. Mngani wami khohlwa amaphoyisa azobe enkanise ngobuningi. Sizobe sikhona ngizobe ngikhona. Uma ngeke ngakubona eningi labo ngiyabaza abantu base-Alexandra ngiyabaza abantu base-Bramfish. Nizodela uMakhasana ngifuna ukunitshela makhomanda omkhondo ngicela wonke umuntu ozobe nesikhathi around iGoli ngicela aphume aze lapha eInner City ezosibambisa umsebenzi esizobe siwenza kusasa sibamba amasela siwafaka ematrug namaphoyisa wonke umuntu obhalisile ozazi umuntu ubhalise ngokomthetho fana nalabo abhalise kulama flat iflat lilodwa kunabantu abo100 and something kodwa isikhathi ababhalise ngaso sisodwa. Ayikhohlwani bafana, sifuna ukuthi manje nisidle nizwile nisirobhe.
Yena kugodole lo obekhuluma ivideo yenza izolo njengoba mina ngenza manje, kodwa nje ubezama ukuchaza yona lento le esikhuluma ngayo yokungahambi kahle kwezinto nabantu abalwanda kwezinye indawo ukuze bagcwalise inani labantu ukuze abantu bawina ama-by-election. Kodwa nje umsebenzi lo abawenzile khona bababambile ke namuhla. Bengithi nje angikulethele le video, ngiyakujabulela ukungakujabulela ukuphawula kwakho lapha comment section below. Usubscribe ungaka-subscribe, ulike, ushare, sixoxe nje. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kodwa kwalabo abasebesubscribe yakhula lo mndeni kakhulu, khula kakhulu ngendlela engakaze ngayicabanga. Ngiyacela ke ukuthi sihloniphane njengoba sihloniphana na ku comment section. Uma sikwenzekile saphambana imbono akusho ukuthi sizitha, cha, kuphambene nje imbono kuphela. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.